Tire Town School, Episode 65, Tire Town Beach.
I love the beach,
Dipper said.
Me too.
Eddie said.
The sun feels warm.
This is boring.
Zippy said.
I can't go fast on sand.
The cars were on a field trip. They were at Tire Town Beach.
The water looks fun,
said Dipper. Ms. Fender frowned.
Don't forget, cars cannot go in the water.
Jeb dug sand. He loaded it in Eddie's dumper. A boat floated on the sea.
Wow,
Dipper said.
I wish we could float.
Poppy nodded.
The water looks fun,
She said.
It sure does.
Gasser said. Gasser looked around.
I don't see Ms. Fender.
He said. Brum, brum. Gasser went fast. Gasser zoomed through the water. It splashed everyone. Tire Town School, Episode 66, Gasser's Big Splash. Water splashed.
Yay!
Dipper cheered. Gasser drove through the water again.
Splash! Do it again, Gasser.
Poppy said. Just then, Miss Fender drove over.
Gasser,
She said.
stop that right now.
Gasser frowned.
Sorry.
He said.
Just play in the sand.
Ms. Fender said.
Water is not for cars.
Miss Fender drove off. Gasser waited for a moment.
Ms. Fender is gone.
He said. Brum, brum. Gasser sped through the water again. Everyone laughed.
The water feels great.
Dipper said.
I'm going in.
No, Dipper.
Eddie said.
It's fine.
Dipper said. Dipper drove into the water. She went in deeper and deeper. Dipper called to her friends.
Come on in.
She said. Tire Town School, Episode 67, Splashing and Playing.
The water feels nice.
Dipper said.
You should come out.
Jeb said.
Yeah,
Eddie said.
Miss Fender will be mad.
But Dipper didn't listen. She went in even deeper. Poppy went closer to the water. The others followed. Brum, brum! Gasser splashed into the water. Everyone laughed. Jeb scooped some water. Eddie dipped his tire.
I'm going in.
Zippy said. He drove into the waves.
Me too.
Jeb said. He splashed into the water. Poppy went in next.
Come on, Eddie.
She said. Eddie went in.
This is fun.
He said. Everyone splashed and played. Pop!
Uh-oh.
Eddie said.
My engine stopped.
Tire Town School, Episode 68. Toots!
This is bad.
Eddie said.
I can't drive.
Me neither.
Dipper cried.
What will we do?
Ms. Fender came over. She gasped.
Water is not for cars!
We're sorry.
Dipper said.
Now we're stuck.
Ms. Fender sighed.
I'll get help.
She said. A small boat arrived. I'm Toots, she said. Toots pushed everyone onto the sand. Stay on land, Toots said. Water is not for cars. The cars still couldn't drive.
Your engines are wet.
Ms. Fender said.
The sun will dry them.
Soon Eddie's engine was dry. The others could drive too. Everyone drove back to school.
What did you learn today?
Ms. Fender asked.
Water is fun,
Dipper said.
but it is not for cars.